I'm on my workbench over here where I do most of the motor testing, and what I've done is I've constructed one of my older units, which is a chassis for a K5 Pennsylvania. It has the all-wheel pickup trucks on it. It's made for a different engine, I know, but it has the same, it'll have the same electrical configurations, and I put on one of my older motor control boards that is mimicked after the Lionel digital control, and so I've run the output over to the new guy on the block, this wonderful Atlantic, and I'm running it off of this B4, American Flyer B4. It was here before you and me, probably, okay? And I wanted to show you neutral, forward, neutral, and reverse. So this unit will operate, this is how you operate your normal neutral, forward, reverse, neutral. And with this new field, this motor is doing its thing the same exact way as the old fields would have if they had lived, if they weren't damaged. But in any case, that's it. Now, what I need to do next is hook up a few extra wires to an auxiliary output and then clip into the smoke board, and we could have smoke running in the same fashion. So I'm going to do that now and just post this very brief video. I don't have my machine up, and I'm not doing a 45-minute talk. I'm not good enough at it yet, so I'm just going to pass and work on my infrastructure. How's that? Here you go.